Hey guys, welcome again. My name is Sailesh. You are watching my channel English Study. It is very motivational video. After watching this video, you will feel motivated self. So you watch this video full, and after watching this video, you also comment how you are feeling after watching this video. If you are new on my channel, so please subscribe the channel and also press the notification bell so that you can get video notification easily. Now let's start the video. Friends, recently you are watching my video and you are seeing that I'm telling in English, I'm not telling any other language, I'm not speaking after watching anything. So you can think how I am doing this. 4 years ago, I can't speak English, right? 4 years ago, I don't know how I can speak English because I'm from a village. I'm from a village where is no facilities. There is no environment of speaking English. I have lots of friends, but they can't speak English. They don't know English. I'm a teacher, and all my friends are teacher, but even they can't speak English. Many of my friends are good in English. They know English. They can write English. They can read English, but they can't speak English because they have no practice. 5 years ago, I have no practice, so I can't speak English. I know English, I can write English, I can read English, but I can't speak English. In 2017, I got married. After 1 year, my daughter take birth. After that, I thought that how I can make my daughter a special. In my village, in my area, nobody knows English. So it would be better if my daughter will speak English. So I started learning speaking English because that time I can write English, I can read English, my English is well. I know everything, but I can't speak English. This is my very big problem. And in 2016, I passed DLED examination, Diploma in Elementary Education. After passing that exam, I thought how I could learn speaking English. I searched online institution that taught English speaking. Then I found that institutions are in my district. No one institution is near me. So I thought that I have to earn money and I have to learn speaking English. So how I can do this? Because my coaching was in village, in my native village, and my district was 35 kilometers far from my house. So I thought that it is not possible for me. I can't speak English because nobody speak English near me and no institution is in my city and nobody speak English in my village. Nobody speaks English in my friend circle and I have no idea how I can speak English. So how we can taught English my daughter? This is my problem. I was thinking on this problem. One day an idea comes in my mind. We should search solution of this problem online. So I go to Google and I searched how we can learn English from home. How we can learn English speaking from home. When I search this question on Google, then a video comes front me. I watched that videos but I was not satisfied because in that video sir was teaching some sentences and we thought that it is not good way because it is translation. It is just like a translation and it is available in the book. After making translation, how we can speak English? It is possible. I was not satisfied, but I don't left watching videos. I was continue on Google, on YouTube. I was watching videos, and in those videos, I found that some sentences are so unique that we can learn in the book. And those type of sentences I started noting in the notebook. And after 6 months, I saw that I have lots of sentences that I can't learn in the book. Just like कौन जाएगा, कौन आएगा, तुम क्या क्या खाओगे, वह कैसे कैसे आया. This type of sentence was not in translation book. So I started retain this type of sentences in the book, and I saw that I have lots of sentences, 200, 300, 500 sentences available in my notebook. I started remembering those sentences and I feel that my English is getting good. But till that time, I can't speak English, so I was not satisfied because my aim was to speak English, but I was not getting success in this field. So I was worried. One day, I saw a video, and that is English speech. Because till that time I can't speak English. Only I was learning making sentence, but no was telling tips for speaking English. So I was worried. One day I searched Indian English speech on YouTube, and lots of speech comes from me. But those speech was very fast. I can't understand those speech 100%. I can't understand what they are telling, what she is telling, what he is telling in the speech. But I don't left watching English speech. I can understand only this type of words: how, when, where, rather, neither, but, also. I can't understand what she is telling, what he is telling in the speech. But I can understand some words. And this is the main point for me. I'm speaking recently. I was understanding something. I was not understanding 100%, but I was understanding 5%. And I started watching beginners speech. I always search beginners English speech because if beginners speaks in videos, so they tells gradually and they tells in simple words. So I watched beginners English speech. I listened English speech of beginners, and doing this I get this achievement. Recently I'm speaking, although I am not good in speaking English, I don't know a smart English, but I know basic English. I can speak basic English. I can speak basic English, and I have just started speaking, so it is good for me. It is a lot for me because when I thought that how I can speak English, and recently I am speaking from camera, so it is not a small achievement. It is a big achievement for me because I am speaking from camera and I can learn any students. I can give some tips for those students who wants to speak English. So it is big achievement for me because I can speak English. I have started my English speaking journey. Now I am telling that secret tricks. After applying that trick, I started speaking